Hi everybody, my name is Samira and we're going to be doing a step-by-step process on how to draw two spirals on the opposite side of the screen using Turtle. So to do that, we have to import Turtle, open up the window screen, activate Tess. You can choose you can come up with a background color, which I choose yellow, and Tess's pen color, which is going to be black. And so we're going to come down here and we're going to do the def function. So for the def function, we're going to put def spiral. In here we can just write any we can call it anything, but for this exercise we're going to call it spiral. So inside the parameters we're going to be using test, size, n, which is going to be, we're going to be using that in the range statement, delta, which is going to be the number of times the spiral changes, and it when it increases after the other, and then turn angle. And so to do that, we go t, which is for test, dot forward size, then we go right, t dot right turn angle, and then we're going to do size plus and equals delta, which we're going to be assigning delta. That's going to be so for this one, it's going to be test.left 180. It's going to go left 180 degrees, and we're going to put the pen up. We're going to set its position to on the opposite side of the screen to a negative 150 and 0. And then we're going to tell pen to pen down, and then we're going to ask Tess to draw the spiral. And so we're going to do it for the other one as well. So for the other one, we're going to ask Tess to pen up, move her to the opposite side of the screen, and pen down, and ask her to draw the spiral. So in this case, we're going to be using 89 instead of 90 because we're trying to draw her in a way that kind of makes her look kind of off. And so to do that, to see the results, we're going to run this program. And here you go.